There's a certain charm to being in downtown Vienna on a Sunday morning. I'm standing in front of St. Stephen's Cathedral at the popular tourist spot, the Stephansplatz, along with about 5,000 other tourists. Like I said, it's a Sunday morning, and as you can see from my outfit, it's a little bit cold today. It was supposed to be raining, but that seems to have faded away, or at least put off until later. And since I'm dodging other people, photobombing people right and left, looking out for bikes and horses, this might be a short video. This is my third time in Vienna. The other two times were in the 1980s. One was 84 when I was on my way home from Southeast Asia. The company I worked with paid for a trip home, 30 days vacation, and then a trip back to work. But I didn't want to stay home for 30 days, so I decided to break it up, visit various places that I'd never been before. So Vienna was the first place. And then again in 1989, I made this my base of operations for my graduate studies when I was in the Soviet Union. So the first place I went from here was Kiev, where I was interviewing coaches and administrators at the Kiev Gymnastics School. And who could have guessed, I'm going to drop a name, I met Ludmila Toresheva. Anybody that follows Olympics or gymnastics knows that she was Olympic champion in '72, I think all around. And maybe she medaled in '68, I'm not sure about that, but you can look that up. Anyhow, she was one of the coaches at the Kiev Gymnastics Center. She didn't speak much English, and of course, I didn't speak much Russian, so we communicated mostly through an interpreter. But that was fun. I didn't think I would meet her. I didn't know she worked there. I know this is some famous shopping street, but I can't remember the name of it, and I'm looking at buildings. Oh, here it is, Kartnerstrasse. This is just shops. It's like the street that I had, or that I was on in Istanbul. I forget the name of that now, but you can look that up on one of the videos. It's the one where I went to Galata Tower. Just look that one up and you'll find out the big shopping tourist street. Well, that was photobomb number 730. I think what I need to do though is find a souvenir shop or a Spencer's Gifts or whatever the German equivalent or the Austrian equivalent would be. I want to buy a fake mustache so that I can wear it around crowds so that the likelihood of being identified is lower. I'm sure that'd be fun. So I'll do that the first time, the very first time somebody notices. Okay, I have no idea what that sign with the two people and the red line through them means. It looks like they're trying to discourage dancing. And I guess if that's the case, then it's a good sign because I haven't spotted any dancing yet. Well, I thought I saw a fake mustache shop just a few minutes ago, but unfortunately, like my Boris Yeltsin spotting in Budapest, I was wrong. The other benefit of walking around in a city like Vienna, especially on a day when a lot of things are not happening, like a weekend, this is an urban hiker's dream. You can just walk forever if you wanted to. There's always some place to stop and get a snack. You can do people watching. You can stumble upon famous landmarks. All kinds of things happen. This is a perfect place for an urban hiker. Speaking of urban hiking, I overestimated the life of my shoes. I thought I'd get at least one more year out of my Merrells, but it doesn't look like that's going to happen. I'm going to be looking for a new pair of shoes before the end of the year. the soles are wearing off, and one of them even has a small hole in it, which I discovered last week when I stepped in a puddle. So new shoes are in the offing. I know you guys think I knew about this place before I made those comments about mustaches earlier. But seriously, I just stumbled upon this on my way back to the apartment. It's closed though. I think it's a barber shop. Nope, it's a cafe. Okay, I'm gonna put a lid on this video. I have to get back to the apartment. Most of the Budapest videos haven't been edited yet, and I'm only here in Vienna for a short time, so I think I'm gonna double down on those from Budapest. We'll have a few from here, and then when I take off to go to Kuala Lumpur, we'll start all over again. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.
Hey folks, remember, if you subscribe to this channel, all of your wildest dreams will come true. I'll show myself out.